Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineMuscleCars.com and RedlineAutosports.com. This is our 1970 SS396 Chevelle. Does not have a build sheet. They're all SS's until you see the build sheet, I'm sure. This car is factory Cranberry Red, code 7575. Factory red bucket seat interior. Power steering, power disc brakes, was factory air, tubular front suspension, front and rear sway bar, cowl induction hood. It runs and drives excellent. It's got new paint, new bucket seat covers, new dash pad, new console, brand new Cooper Cobra Radial GTs. Factory 14-inch SS rally wheels, SS dash. It's got Dakota digital gauges, SS steering wheel, SS door panels, and bucket seats console. Interior's in great shape. Really nice carpet, dash and seat covers. Solid original floors, trunk, quarters, never had any rust. No patches, really nice car. Awesome sounding big block motor. Nice interior. All new weather strip, new paint, mostly new interior, new bumpers. Check us out online at RedlineMuscleCars.com, your muscle car connection. Thanks, y'all. Have a blessed day.